In this video I'll show you how to take absolute value of a complex number. So absolute value. Now first thing to know, absolute value is a distance or length. Okay? So when someone is asking you to find the absolute value of -2 plus 3i, what they're asking you to do is to find the length of the following picture. I need to draw it so it's easier to see. So let me draw this number, -2 plus 3i. My real part is -2, so I will go 2 to the left. It's -2, and then imaginary part is 3 up. So that's 3i on imaginary line. So my number is right here, -2 plus 3i. And someone wants me to find the length. Well, length of what? We only see one dot. The length of line that's going from the middle of the graph towards the number itself. That's what absolute value of complex number means. Okay, and to do that we're going to use Pythagorean theorem from geometry. So if you imagine that this is a triangle, and to find that triangle all I have to do is take this orange length, which is 3 units, and then take this other length, which is 2 units, and I will square both of them and add them, and then take a square root. So let's see how that looks in this problem. So if you remember, complex numbers are written in form a plus bi, and the formula for absolute value says that to find the absolute value of a plus bi, you take a square root of a squared plus b squared. So in our example, our a in this case would be -2, that's our a, and our b would be only the part in front of imaginary unit, not including I, so +3. Okay, so that's really easy to do. So we can say that absolute value of -2 plus 3i equals square root of -2 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2, which equals square root of -2 squared is 4 plus 3 squared is 9, so that's square root of 13, which is about 3.6 something. So let's do one more problem. Find absolute value of 8 minus 9i. Well, very easy to do. Take a square root of the first thing, which is 8 squared, plus -9 squared. So you get 8 times 8 is 64, plus -9 times -9 is 81. So we have a square root of, this would be 80 plus 60 is 140, plus 5 is square root of 145. And I will use calculator to see how much is that. 145 square root is about 1204. So around 1204. That's it.